Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you how to remove and replace your traction control switch or stability control switch guys, also known as stability control or traction control switch. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, and we do all that guys so we can save you money. So please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we do here at the shop so we can guys save you money. Now if you need tools, parts, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below and you will see where we order all our tools from, all the parts for our cars, and you get them for a very good price and incredibly fast shipping as well. So let me show you where the traction control switch is located now and how to remove and replace it. This is it right here. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Now we need to go ahead and remove that trim. Okay, most of you will think that it comes together with that. It doesn't guys. We're going to explain what to do. So we're going to point the camera this way, like that, and now that trim guys, it's going to come off. How we're going to do that? I get a trim removal tool. I get usually underneath, and we're going to try to pry the clips out. Now if it hasn't been removed guys, that thing will be it will be stuck pretty big time. So let me just get a little bit thinner too, and I'll try to get underneath here. Okay. Perfect. I started there. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure, careful not to break it. We're gonna go underneath, because you have I think a clip here and a clip there. So let me see now. You have to be careful not to damage your heater controls as well, so don't lift up too much. This clip came loose. The clip there as well, and now start on this side, work your way around. You have to be careful not to put pressure on the heater control switches guys, because you will break them. Perfect, came out. Now what we're going to do guys, we grab it and you pull it out. You can see just like that. Now we need to disconnect a few wires, and let me show you how you do that now. Right here, let's come with the camera this way now. Check it out now. Right here guys, this wire, we're going to you're supposed to press down, but you can't. So what you can do with a small screwdriver, right here there is a tool that you just pry it out, like that. Now this wire right here, this gray piece needs to come back, because that's a safety clip that prevents it from unsnapping. Now press down here. And disconnect it. However guys, it's a little bit stuck. What I can do, I can actually help it a little bit right here. With a screwdriver, like that. Because when you're supposed to press it down, it's supposed to move, but it didn't. And you can see that trim piece guys came out of here now. So this is guys right here your traction control switch. So how we are going to remove it now, we have only 2 screws on the bottom with a Phillips screwdriver. So I need to get a little bit bigger screwdriver actually. Let's try this one. Perfect. And we just need to get these ones loose now. What I like about that Cruze, that many of the components actually have screws, not just clips, because otherwise things break sometimes, so screws are always better. Perfect. This one as well guys. So now I just grab the switch, pull it out, and this is guys your traction control switch out of the car. You can see just like that. So it didn't take as much to remove it and replace it. If you need to do that guys, that's how long it takes. Not very complicated at all. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.